Hello, this is Jeffrey Hunt. We're looking at the rare planet alignment of March 28th, 2022. This morning there's a rare alignment of Venus, Mars, and Saturn in the east-southeast before sunrise, and the added attraction is that the crescent moon is nearby. This morning's planet alignment does not occur again until September 6th, 2040. Before sunrise, three morning planets, Venus, Mars, and Saturn, bunch in the east-southeastern sky. They fit within a circle 5.3 degrees across. 45 minutes before sunrise, step outside and look to the east-southeast. Brilliant Venus is about 11 degrees up in the sky. The crescent moon, very thin, it's only 16% illuminated, is only about 5 degrees above the horizon, and 7.3 degrees to the lower right of the gleaming planet. Dimmer Saturn is between Venus and the lunar slice. It is 2.1 degrees to the lower right of Venus and 5.3 degrees to the upper left of the moon. Mars is 5.3 degrees to the right of Venus and 5.0 degrees to the upper right of Saturn. This planetary triplet easily fits into a binocular's field of view, and the moon may fit as well into a binocular's field of view if it has a wide field designation. This is certainly a spectacular sight, to have three planets and the moon very close together. In 2040, the three planets are even closer and within a circle of 3.9 degrees across. Groupings within 5 degrees are known as planet trios. They're named by astronomer Jean Meese. Most of these trios involve Mercury. Since 1980, nearly 30 such groupings have occurred. 60 of them occurred near the Sun, with Mercury included in the grouping. Conjunctions of two planets occur relatively frequently. Venus passes to the upper left of Saturn tomorrow. The gap is only 2.1 degrees. This is followed by a close conjunction of Mars and Saturn on April 5th. After these upcoming conjunctions, Venus passes Saturn again January 22nd, 2023. Mars passes Saturn again April 10th, 2024. The last planet trio for these three planets occurred February 29th, 1992. When they were in a circle just 2.6 degrees across, a close bunch of planets. This morning the planets look close together in the sky, but Venus is nearly 70 million miles away, while Mars is another 100 million miles beyond Venus. Distant Saturn is nearly 6 times farther away than Mars. It's quite a separation in interplanetary space, but they are very close in our sky. Until 2040, the three planets gather somewhat close together again. The closest, though, occurs when Venus and Saturn are less than 4 degrees from the Sun during the daytime, of course. The bunch is only 5 degrees across on June 14th, 2032, but not visible with conventional means, such as telescope binocular. On March 21st, 2024, they span 13.5 degrees, although Saturn might be a challenge to find in bright twilight. Over a decade later, June 3rd, 2034, the three planets are 13.5 degrees apart. 2 years before the great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, last year's great conjunction, Mars passed these planets, and the closest grouping of this triplet was 6.4 degrees on March 30th. After the upcoming conjunctions, the morning planet dance is not finished. Jupiter enters the morning sky, followed by conjunctions with Venus and Mars. This summer, the 5 bright planets are visible with the moon before sunrise. There is a basket of sky events occurring before sunrise. Please take a look at our website, whenthecurveslineup.com, to see charts and photographs of sky events. Thank you. Goodbye.